Welcome to this afternoon's installment of wrap kit installation. We're going to take this beautiful red door and we're going to turn it matte lime green, matte neon, satin neon green, which is a 3M product, 1080 series. What we need to get started will be our magnets, our door panel piece, and a clean door. As you can see, we took off the mirror already because it's so much easier to do without the mirror on. So I have my heat gun, I have my squeegee, my clean door without its mirror, and first I'm going to start with the circle underneath the door handle. We can sell you this kit with the door handle where there's no circle. If you would rather have no seams at all, then make sure you send us an email telling us you'd rather have the whole door with no cutouts at all. It makes for a cleaner installation. It looks a lot more like it was painted rather than wrapped, but we'll show you what it looks like because this is the easier way to go about it. But like I said, if you want a full, complete, finished look that really looks like paint, then make sure you let us know that you're going to take your door handles out. So I put it around in the circle, stuck the whole thing. Now I'm taking my heat gun, softening up the vinyl a little bit, and now I'm just going to go in a circular motion from the middle of the door handle, and then the vinyl catches. So I keep doing that little circle, heating up the vinyl just a little bit at a time, so that I can make sure that I get whatever air that is in this handle out towards the sides. All it is a little bit of, turns the door warm. And once the vinyl's warm, it's able to be molded. Hopefully I'm not standing in front of this the whole time so that you guys can see it. Heat up the vinyl. Okay, that's the handle behind the door handle. Now we take our door panel and line it up around the hinges and around the door handle. Magnets are excellent for this. They help so much. You'll have magnets in your kit when you order. Like I said, we'll line it up with the door handle. Door handle is the most important, and the door lock. Once you have those in place, one up here, there you go. Keep that out of the way. Alright, my door lock feels like it's in a good spot. I have 3 magnets, so that's going to help me to keep the top. Now my hinges look good. Looks like it's going to go all the way around. The circle for where the mirror ends up is in a great spot. I'm going to make sure that this is nice and flat. This is going to determine how the rest of my door lays out. I really want it to come out nice.